Salads are a nice way to add in some vegetables to your meals, especially if you're feeling lazy to cook. So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you a very easy, flavorful, delicious, crunchy red cabbage salad, which is going to be perfect as a side dish to enjoy as a snack, and it's going to be super yummy. The salad is going to be loaded with lots of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients, which makes it perfect for you to try out. Red cabbage is the key ingredient in this recipe, and I'm going to be using half of it. You'll need 2 apples of choice. I'm using Pink Lady. I have some carrots, black pepper, salt, olive oil. We have some white vinegar and sugar. The recipe is super simple. So I'm going to get straight into shredding up my fresh vegetables, which are nice and clean, by placing on a chopping board and using a sharp knife. I'm going to cut my cabbage into quarters. Then I'm going to shred 1/4. You can use a knife, you can use a mandolin, or even a vegetable peeler to shred up your cabbage thinly. Once I'm done, I'm going to transfer to a bowl. Pick the next quarter and shred. When chopping up your vegetables using a chopping board, make sure to place a wet kitchen towel so that the chopping board can be stable while chopping up the veggies. It's going to take around a minute to finally chop up my cabbage. And once I'm done, I'm going to transfer into the bowl as well. Once you're done, you're going to pick your clean apples, cut in half. Then you're going to remove the core of the apple, just like this. Place aside, pick the next, and repeat with the rest of the apples. Be very careful while removing the core so that you don't injure yourself. And once I'm done, I'm going to chop up my apple into small bite-sized pieces, just like this. And once you're done, you're going to pick 2 medium carrots. Then you're going to use a vegetable peeler and shred up your carrots. You can also use a knife or a box grater, or even your processor. Be very careful while shredding up or grating your carrot, because you don't want to injure the tips of your fingers. Once you're done and you have a small piece of carrot just like this, just pick the next and repeat. Transfer to the bowl. Now that you're done chopping up your vegetables, it's time to make some dressing for our red cabbage salad. So you'll need a small jar, which you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, which is going to make the salad very flavorful. Then next, you're going to add in 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. If you have some apple cider vinegar, you can add that as well. Then next, you're going to add in a tablespoon of sugar, which you can substitute with honey. Add in a pinch of black pepper and salt to taste. Then you're going to cover your small jar and shake. The white vinegar is going to help everything to emulsify, while the black pepper and salt is going to season the salad. Now that I'm done, The apples are looking very crispy and fresh. The red cabbage is thinly shredded together with the carrots. So now I'm going to add in my dressing into the bowl. Then using a spoon, I'm going to combine everything. The sugar is going to add in a little bit of sweetness, since the white vinegar is going to add in tartness to the salad. The salt is going to drain water from the veggies as well as season, so they're going to be crunchy, pliable, and super delicious. Now that I'm done mixing up my salad, I'm going to be refrigerating for around 15 to 30 minutes before serving, and this is going to make this salad super fresh and crispy. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try, because this is all you need for that perfect side dish.